Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore a very useful feature in Carbon Browser on mobile that helps you manage your tabs efficiently. If you often find your browser cluttered with too many open tabs, this video will show you. First, open the Carbon Browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings to open the browser configuration page. After that, find and tap on Tabs and Groups to access tab management features. Next, look for the option labeled Move to Inactive section and tap on it. Then, turn on the setting that says Automatically Close Inactive Items. This will allow Carbon Browser to monitor your open tabs and automatically close those that have been inactive for a period of time. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful browser tips.